In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Loom video transcript. Loom is a fantastic tool for creating video messages, tutorials, and presentations. One of its useful features is the automatic transcription service, which is super handy for anyone who might want to reference specific parts of their recordings later on. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It helps us out a lot and allows us to keep bringing you more great content, just like this. Now, to get started with finding your Loom video transcript, the first step is to open up the Loom application or website. If you haven't signed in yet, this is the time to do so. Just enter your credentials and you'll be in your dashboard, ready to access your videos. Once you're in, locate the video for which you want to find the transcript. This can usually be found easily on your Loom dashboard, either in your recent uploads or under your saved videos. Click on that video to open it up. Now, it's important to note that if your video is still processing, you might have to wait a moment before you can access the transcript. This processing period is when Loom is working its magic, analyzing the audio to generate your transcript. Be patient during this time. It's just a few minutes. After the video has finished processing, look to the right side of your screen. Here you should see an option labeled Transcript. Go ahead and click on that. Loom will display the transcript for you. This transcript is generated automatically based on the speech detected in your video. Now, if your video contains a good amount of speech, you should have a full transcript that corresponds to everything that was said in the video. This feature is incredibly useful for those times when you want to quickly locate specific information or quotes from your recording without having to scrub through the entire video. However, if your video doesn't contain any spoken audio, you may run into an issue. In this case, Loom won't be able to generate a transcript, and you'll see a message indicating that it didn't detect any speech. This is a good thing to keep in mind if you're relying on transcripts for your videos. Make sure that your video has audible speech for this feature to work effectively. So whether you're creating educational content, business presentations, or just sharing videos with friends, knowing how to find the transcript can really enhance the accessibility and usability of your videos. It opens up a lot of possibilities for both you as the creator and your audience. Once you've accessed the transcript, feel free to read through it and refer to any specific parts that catch your interest. If you need to pull quotes or create summaries, having that text right in front of you will definitely streamline the process. In summary, the steps to find your Loom video transcript are quite straightforward. You log into Loom, click on the video you want to check, wait for it to finish processing, and then click on the transcript option on the right. Just remember, this feature works best if there's speech in the video. And that's it. I hope this has helped you navigate the transcription feature in Loom. Don't forget to check out more videos about maximizing your Loom experience. And I appreciate you watching today. Happy video creating.